What's going on, YouTube? I'm here with Quentin. This is the guy that sold me that beautiful Corvette, and we're here with his fully built Nissan 240 SX. What you got in this thing?
Well, I have a built LS1. It's pretty quick. That's all I can say about it. It runs around 500 horsepower. I did have nitrous on it at one point in time, took it off, but other than that, I mean, it's pretty fun. I haven't ran in a quarter mile or anything like that yet, so.
Drift car.
Drift car.
Drift car.
Yep.
Looks like something from Fast and Furious. What's your team or your clique, as some people call it?
Yeah, the name of my team is Drift Riot.
Drift Riot, R-I-T-E.
Yep. There is 4 of us in the team. One of them is my brother. He has a 350Z LS swap. Another guy, his name is Ben. He has the same exact car as mine, just a different color, but he's running a 1JZ.
We're not going to talk about the person that left, because screw him.
Right. Yeah, so it's a fully built drift car. I'm running XXR wheels. I know for the fanboys, you guys might hate me a little bit. I do have real wheels, I just didn't put those on. Running Fortunato suspension on it, and I have 6K in the front and 4K in the rear. So some people think that drift cars are built for you know, no grip at all, just sliding around in the back, but actually they're built for grip. It's kind of interesting.
I didn't know that. I always thought you wanted no grip so you could do all your slide. I know nothing about drifting, okay? Be straight up with you. I don't know. That's why I bought a Corvette. All right, it goes in a straight line really, really fast. And occasionally you can hit corners really, really fast, and that's fun. I know nothing about drifting. I will not be trying to drift this car. Won't happen.
But you will drive it.
I'll drive it.
Okay.
I'll drive it, even though I'm nervous because it's such a low riding car. I'm very nervous, but we're not gonna go anywhere other than this parking lot. He trailered it over here from his home. It's not street legal, so we cannot take it out on the street. So we will not be taking it on the street, but this is a big private parking lot that belongs to a company nearby. They own all of this, and they gave us permission to be here today. So everything is on the up and up with that. Right. So is there anything else about your car that you want to tell us about? Because this thing is just, my buddy has a thing for Nissan 240s. He's had a bunch of them. I've had 2, but never anything like this, fully stock, and not the DET, just the regular, what is it, RB24? I don't remember. I know nothing about
these. Let's see, KA24.
KA24.
Yeah, there we go.
RB24, isn't that a Nissan? No.
It's still a Nissan.
It's still a Nissan, okay. Yeah. See, I know nothing about foreign cars. Don't let this one fool you. I just bought this because it was a great deal at the auto auction. Otherwise, I know absolutely nothing about foreign cars. I'm more American muscle, but I do have a thing for all cars, as I told you before. I'm not like Ford versus Chevy. I'm not like, oh, screw racers. Like, I just love cars in general. I'm a car enthusiast, a fanatic, and when he gave me the opportunity to check this out, I figured, hey, let's do this for you guys, because I'm sure some of you are going to absolutely love this car too. And like I said, this is the guy, Quentin, from Nelson Mazda in Norman. So any of you local people out here, he's the guy that hooked me up on that Corvette. I got a great deal on it. I really can't complain, and the car has been a great car so far. I've been driving it almost daily, well, okay, let's be real. My fiance's been driving it almost daily, and occasionally she lets me have the keys to it, and I get to drive. But it's been a great car. Can't recommend Nelson Mazda enough. So if you're in the market for a new or used car, hit up Quentin, Nelson Mazda in Norman. Okay, he'll do you right, I promise. And no, this is not a sponsored video. I'm not getting paid for it. I don't get shit. All right.
That's right.
So let's do a walk around, and then we'll take it for a quick test drive. All right, so we're gonna do a quick walk around. Now this side is the bad side. I don't want to hear any complaining, because we all have a bad profile pic. He was drifting one day when he first put this thing together and was still kind of figuring out how the car handles. And what did you run into? A curb? Or
I ran into my teammate.
Oh, shit. He ran into his teammate. Yeah. How did your teammate feel about it? Is that the one that left?
No. Oh. No. Yeah, it's actually kind of funny. You know, I built it, and the first thing he said to me at the event is, you know, I'm gonna take your door out. And it literally happened. So good thing it was only about 4 hours afterwards. So we laughed it off, and he came over and helped me fix it and put it back together. So
he took your door off?
Yeah, he sure did.
Hey, it's all cosmetic. It does,
Right.
It's not that bad. And you
Right.
could put paint over that if you wanted to, really. It's whatever. It's a drift car. It's a fun car. And honestly, damn thing looks sick. And I've never seen a 240 with taillights like this.
Yep.
Where'd you get those from?
Honestly, I got them from eBay.
No kidding.
Yep.
Those are sick. Those are just, look at these. Tell me those things are not sick. Giant spoiler, but not the kind that sticks up 10 feet in the air, you know? I can't stand those. That's very classy. I like it.
Yeah.
And as a true drift car, you can see the tires are down to the cords. So don't freak out. It's supposed to be like that, I think. You got a fire extinguisher back there. That's always good. I should have had that in the Mercedes.
Yeah.
Got the quick disconnect steering wheel. No gauges. I like that. Nothing. I'm sure you got, what is that, just a wideband right there?
Yep. It tells
There you
me
go.
everything the car needs to know.
That's it. Isn't this thing sick? Can we take a look at the motor?
Sure.
Look at these headlights.
They are very bright, I'll tell you that. It's a little dirty. But like I said, guys, it's a built LS1. Makes 500 horsepower, close to it, not exactly. I did all of this from my garage. I built the whole car myself.
Wow.
From the welding to the fab work, everything. It was just,
You can see there used to be an intake over here.
yeah, it used to be. I had to cut it out because my tires were hitting that corner.
Look at this. Look at all the welds. This was a lot of work.
Yeah, took me a year to build it.
How much money do you think you got into this thing now?
Probably 20 grand.
Whew. Damn.
20 grand and it still looks bad.
And it whooped the shit out of my vet.
It
Guarantee
could.
it.
Possibly,
It's
I don't
small,
know.
It's light, and it's got like almost 100 horsepower more than mine.
Yeah,
You think it could beat the RX-8? I think the RX-8 could take it.
I'm pretty sure the
240
RX-8.
horsepower.
You know what? That
We can do it.
RX-8 will win. I'm telling you.
All right, let's go for a test drive, guys.
All right. Okay. Steering wheel. Let's see if it's unlocked. Yep. So you're just gonna line it up, turn it a little bit, right, a little bit more. There. Locked in. Okay. So to start it, you're gonna. It's in first right now. Engine up, and then you'll press number 2 and number 1. Well, once you start it, so this one first. Once you get it going, then you'll turn on the fans.
Okay.
So just make sure you flob the throttle a few times to get it going. Push to start, and that's it.
All right. Well, it doesn't matter because it's fuel injected right now.
Right. Tap.
Good God Almighty.
Go ahead, hit it again. You're fine.
All right, I assume this is the e-brake. Is that
Yep.
on or off right now?
It's off, constantly off
It's constantly off
until you
unless
pull it.
you pull it.
Yep.
All right. All right, let's go. soon to come on this channel, we're getting this car, or he's going to build one for us.
Yeah.
All right, that's going to be it for the video, guys. I appreciate you taking the time to watch. And I'd like to thank Quentin. Thank you, man. It was a blast to ride and get to drive your car. Thank you so much. If you guys enjoyed this content, give this video a thumbs up because he knows people. He knows people. They've got a Viper, and there's some other things that we could do if you guys like the content, but we don't know unless you give it a thumbs up. If you think the content sucks, we'll give it a thumbs down, and then we just won't do it anymore. So do you guys have any social media or YouTube, anything like that that the viewers can go to?
Yeah, we have a YouTube channel. It's called slammedia.co, and you can follow us there on YouTube. And then also Facebook, Drift Riot, DRIFT, and that's our page. So follow us there.
Okay, do me a favor, do me a real solid. Check these guys out on YouTube and check them out on Facebook. Follow them on Facebook. We truly appreciate it. We're going to get out of here because it's getting hot and I'm starting to sweat. So stay safe out there, everybody. We will catch you soon in the next one. What's going on, YouTube? Here with Quentin. He owns this beautiful Nissan 240ZX. Is it a ZX? It's ZX, right?
240 SX.
240 SX. Shit. ZX. That's a blooper.
Yeah.